Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Coding Optimized. In this video, we are going to discuss basic coding questions which are often put up in the initial rounds of any coding interview. In this video, we will be discussing how to figure out the maximum and minimum number in an array. We'll start by taking an array of length 7 and we will take two variables named maximum and minimum to figure out the max and min number. We need to assume some value for maximum and minimum, so we'll be comparing the first two indexes of the array and assigning max and min accordingly. So after comparing them, we can say max is 88 and min is 35. After max and min are defined, we'll start by traversing the array from the second index, which is pointing to -2. Now the second index will be compared with maximum number, which is 88, and accordingly max will be reset. In this case, maximum number is actually greater than -2, so there will be no change. But in case of minimum, there will be a change since -2 is actually smaller than 35. So max will be 88 and min will be -2 after comparison with the second index. Similarly, we'll be traversing the array and find out the true max and minimum value in this array. In this case, the maximum will be 91 and minimum will be -22. There is an edge case as well. The edge case is the array has length 1. Now in that case, the maximum and minimum both will point to 65 itself. Coming to the code, we'll start by writing a function called getMinMax from array, which will receive an array and it will contain a number JSON object which will have two properties, min and max, which will be pointing to null. It will return the numbers JSON object itself and we'll be declaring an array, as you can see, which have some values. We'll also define numbers variable which will receive value whatever is returned from getMinMax from array, and finally we'll print out the numbers itself. Now as we discussed, after comparing the first two indexes, we'll assign minimum and max. Now as discussed, after comparing the first two indexes, we'll assign the minimum and maximum accordingly. If the 0th element is actually greater than the first element, then 0 will be maximum, otherwise it will be minimum, as you can see from line 7 to 13. Once we have maximum and minimum assigned, we'll start by traversing the array from. Once we have a maximum and minimum value, we'll start by traversing the array from the second index. We'll keep on comparing maximum and minimum with the index's value and updating them. And once the for loop is done, we'll return the numbers and you will see that the output is, in this case, 88 maximum and -22 minimum. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.